Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Assis. Today we are discussing about an important topic is preposition. Preposition in common use and what's kind of preposition and how to use preposition. Because I have seen in many people they made mistake of preposition. What is correct use of preposition and which preposition is really important in your daily life or especially for grammar. If you are new learner, so you learn this video and understand and watch many times, you can notice that your preposition activity is really super and fine is as soon possible. I expect from you, you must focus on this video. So let me start the video and discussing about our first topic.
Among and between. Among is used for more than two person or things. Between is used only for two. It's the simple definition. We know that. If you understand very deeply, among mean to say that middle of, including, one of, in the number of. Its relative words always come with among. Let's see the example and understand how to use among and between. Distribute these sweets among the student of class. So here are words telling to you distribute. Distribute means giving to, provide. Sweets, sweets among. These are only words is define the whole sentence. Mean to say that there's number of student in the class and sweets is full of numbers is giving to everyone. So we just read the definition. Among is used for more than person. There in class not only one person, more than a student. Number of student. Next example is she works among the poor for their supplements. She is a girl who work among. Among means there is not only she giving to one boy, yeah, one child. She giving to all poor. Supplements. It's simple example to yeah mean to know that makes happy, good works, social work. And the next example
Is I lost my watch somewhere between the garage and house. Here we just only notice one thing. Where is my watch? Maybe in house, maybe in garage. So between what is decide, it's come with two words. Just divide it. We just only know one thing. We have already read about the definition. Between is used only for two. So what is two things? House and garage. Now you understand among and between. The next topic is among in. Among is used before collective plural nouns and used before collective singular nouns. Example is very simple in very simple meaning. Among is used before collective. Collective means bunch of people, crowd, public, otherwise. I found him standing among the crowd. Means he is on among in between lots of people there. Okay. So next topic is beside and besides. There is not more different between words, just only different between as. But now we can understand and clear what is exactly meaning. Beside without as tell us the location of something. On the other hand, mention. The example is the daughter was sitting beside her mother. The daughter was sitting beside her mother. Beside can be used the indication of two nouns adjoining together. Two nouns came together. Besides have relative and invite some his friend also. But this beside meaning is different. His meaning is different because he adding is more things. Like example is showing you, besides his relative, he invited some of his friend also. Means he adding more people. So very clear. If you using up this word besides end of s, so you notice that he add more people. So I hope you clear these topics. This one is also clear. And we move to the next topic is in within relation to time. So you know understand topic is very clear in first of all. Notice is here in mean it the expiry of period of time in future, means before the expiry period of time in any tense. Example is she will return from London in a week. There you notice in mean it expiry of period time. In, if you're going to the any office otherwise, so you could ask just first, may I coming? Coming means a period of time expire and get out the gate, get out the office, get out the. On, upon. On is used for things at rest. Upon is used for things in motion, for things about to happen. So here we are very clear on and upon. This is the last topic of this video, and I hope you understand all topics. If you have any doubts, you must tell about in comments section. So let me clear these topics and finish the video. On is used for things at rest, means something is comfortable and relax. Like example, he is sitting on the floor, means he is comfortable and feel relaxed. The books is on the table at rest, mean to say that simply. You can notice here, I'm just write down something for notice you, just here. On, notice at rest mean to say that here are very comfortable. On at rest, these are very simple to understand. These are comfortable for rest. The dog is spring upon the tables, means something is going on, motion is movement, something in move on. And last topic is Diwali is upon us again, means it's happen again in the future time. It will be repeated every year, but it will be happen, it's not gonna happen right now. Happen means happen, happened, all the mean of word that something is going, but not right now. I hope you have complete this video very well, and here are all topics is in this PDF. I will be send you PDF on links, and in there you can download and understand very well. I'm clear the all topics especially for you. I hope you understand very well. So let's finish this video and discuss about one thing. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts about any topics, comment on the video, and please do like, share, subscribe. If you have any idea, you share on video. Please press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.